What's up, everyone? Today I am just casually fishing my grandma's pond. It's about 10:30, so I'm trying to go for the buzzbait for some topwater action today. Oh my gosh! I just pulled it out of his mouth. I missed him twice. Oh my gosh. Move over here. They need to make they probably do, but weedless, I know they make weedless poppers, but weedless buzz baits would be the best bait ever. And if the blade was slanted so all the moss just ran right off of it. Dock. And fish this broken down tree over here. Well, I never tried right here. What am I doing? Never tried right here. Well, I have before, but not today. I'm not sure why. Catch of the day. There's a grass carp right there. I can't tell if y'all could see that, but that's a grass carp. And it hasn't seen me yet. I'm gonna hit the bait next to it and see if it'll jump or not. That buddy won't move. Will I cast on him? Is he dying? I can't tell if he's dying or not. No, he's eating the grass. It's awesome. Won't this guy move? Beware, I'm not hitting him. He might be dying. There he goes. That's pretty cool. Hey, look, there's another one out there. Also can't tell if y'all can see that, but that fin you see, that's a grass carp. There are 5 really big ones and tons of little ones. I think I'm gonna hook up. Oh wait. Oh. All right, brother. On the green buzzbait right at the bank. Actually, I am gonna go change to black and blue Senko weightless Texas rig on my spinning rod. So I'm gonna put this guy away. Every time I get in here, it's either one of these 3 right here is what I use. But black and blue and then pink always work good in here. So I'm gonna start off with black and blue. And then if I can't get any bites on that Texas rig, I'll move to a pink. That's 7 foot long. Over there somewhere. I might have to take y'all off of the chest mount for this. That's at least 5 feet. I just need him to come back over here. Come over towards us. Looks like it led me into the moss or something. Right there's an alright spot. Oh yeah, I got one. Alright, there's a fish. Bang, bang. There we go. Nice guy. Alright, y'all. My grandma just got me a McDonald's. I think that's going to be the end of the video today. 2 fish, not bad. And, I'll probably make another video soon. Thank y'all so much for actually 60 and 50 subscribers. My one yesterday, I started off with 51 subscribers, and by the end of yesterday, I had 62. So, thank you all, and have a good day.